Started to get majority of it off, as you guys can see. It's like 5 different colors. The original color is that diamond blue. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day in the UK. So as you guys can see, I'm in the garage. What's that mean? I'm bringing another DIY to you guys, and that is the Jaguar XJ40. So I've been messing around with this car. If you guys are just tuning in, I'm pulling a wrap off of the off my car, and I'm going to end up rewrapping it. So hopefully today I should be done pulling all the wrap off, and then I should be getting the car ready for prep, and then hopefully we can start laying some vinyl wrap. So if you guys, like I said, if you guys are just tuning in, my channel is all about cars, DIYs, spending life with the family, you name it. Saunders Lifestyle, that's what it is, and that is the title. So if you haven't, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. Go ahead and turn on all post notifications for any future videos. Let's go ahead and get this video started. So as you guys can see, man, I ended up ordering some wrap from Oracle. This is the first time using this type of material. The color is right here underneath. It looks purplish, but it's supposed to change to purple gold. I think it's got like a little haze of green in it, but we'll see, and you won't really get the full reaction of that that wrap until it's on the car. So with that, let's go ahead and get this car up out the garage. All right, guys, so I pulled the Jag out. Started to get majority of it off, as you guys can see. It's like 5 different colors. The original color is that diamond blue. I wouldn't mind going back to that original color, but as of right now, while I'm here in the UK, I'm not going to paint it because I want to get it done properly when I get back to the States. So, and it's a lot cheaper to get it done in the States than it is here. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and continue to do this wrap. So as you guys can see right here, I'm starting to pull it off. Got a lot more work to do. I'm probably gonna end up pulling this back window out as well. So I got a replacement window because the heater strips on here is messed up. So I got another replacement one in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out too as well. So, and I need to clean up some of this area right here because it's starting to get surface rust. And I'm not trying to get any pinholes there. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get this thing set up, man, and start pulling this off, showing you guys how I'm removing this. All right, so what I'm doing here is I got my heat gun. I'm just gonna apply heat to the wrap itself, the edges, so I can start lifting it up, and it should start coming off. So now, mind you, when you pull this wrap off, you want to be a little bit extra careful when it comes down to it. But for me, I know I plan on wet sanding the whole car just to make sure I got any imperfection when it comes to it, because some of the clear coat came up, and the reason why that happened with this car is because it's an older car, and the car has been resprayed. I'm going to assume multiple times because there's some overspray in the door jamb, so that's how I kind of know. But with the newer cars, you shouldn't have too much issues removing the wrap. Obviously, the best time to remove it is, the easiest way to remove it is if you're out in the sun somewhere or a hot location. You can just sit the car outside, man, and it'll soften up the wrap. But due to the fact that I'm over here in the UK and it stays cold forever in a day, this is the way I'm doing it. This is the method I'm going with to trying to get this removed. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and heat these edges up, and then you guys will see how easy this is to come off. It is time consuming though, for sure, but at the end of the day, that's the way you got to get it off. So now watch. So I grab a good edge real quick. Heat it up a little bit more. show y'all what I'm doing. As you guys can see how it's coming off. I'm gonna get it away from the edges first, so I can just pull a big chunk of it off. As you guys can see, the heat is your best friend when it comes to removing this stuff. So continue to heat it up, man, and get this off, man. So stay locked in with me until I get this thing completely unwrapped. All right, guys, so finally removed the wrap off the Jag. I'm digging this diamond blue, man. Kind of wishing I should just go this color, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna still wrap it. So as you guys can see, boom, got the wrap off, minus some small spots. So I'm not gonna get to it today, but I need to take the door handles off to get the rest of that out. So I need to take the door handles off. I need to take this mirror off right here to pull this trim up. Once I pull the trim up, I'll be able to remove all this right here, the wrap that's right here. All right, let me see what else I got left to do. I need to take these bezels out. Already removed the grill. I'm gonna remove this chrome piece right here as well. Like I said, I gotta remove this bezel here. I need to remove the side markers and this mirror, and that's pretty much it. So I removed the bumper, the lights off the back. Just need to continue to do this and get it done. So the next thing I'm going to do, so as I told you guys, I ended up getting a new window for the rear because the defroster, the elements, I guess, that goes across the window itself, they're no longer there, non-existent. So with that said, I got a replacement glass right here. You guys can see. So what I'm going to end up doing real quick is I'm going to go ahead and remove this back glass because on top of that, there's some rust that I need to take care of. As you guys can see right in here, and you'll probably see a lot more once I take this glass out. But again, like, look at this, check this out right here. So I don't know, man, these cars seem to build up rust, man, like in this area, in this channel. Man, I'm gonna say part of it is just from being here in the UK, but part of it's probably just the car itself, the way it was created. So let me show you guys what I'm doing. I got this tool right here that I purchased a while back. Should be able to slice that whole all the rubber off around the surrounding area to get this glass out. So I may heat it up a little bit just to make it soft, but I think I should be able to get through with just putting this in. And what you typically got to do, from what I've done before, is I'll put this in here, I'll turn it sideways so it cuts the glass, and then I'll just pull on this. So let me see if I can put the head pro on, show you guys what I'm doing, but I'm gonna remove this back rear window. All right, so I'm gonna just keep you guys on the stand. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna take this tool right here. It's literally made for this. So I'll put it here. I should be able to turn it sideways. Let's see if it's gonna let me get it in there. Let me try it this way. Or actually, let me start from the corner here. All right, so got it there. And what I need to do is I need to take this here and take it here and pull it down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my heat gun I'm gonna heat this up, man, get a little soft. All this is doing is softening up the glue. See if this helps out a little bit. It definitely helped out. Right, that's that side. All right, so trimmed all the goo out. So I cut it pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this glass out right now. Should come out. There it goes. So I'm gonna let you guys know up front, man. I put this glass on a long time ago and I messed it up putting it on. Let me take this off real fast. As you guys can see, there's a lot of goo on here, right? And it looks kind of jaggedy. So what happened was when I first did this 2 years ago, I pulled it off. Didn't realize that it had to have the trim around the window before applying the glass back on. So I pulled it off. That's why it looks all jaggedy like this from the rubber. But I'm gonna clean all that off. I'm probably gonna actually get this installed professionally when all is said and done. But let me go ahead and start heating this up, man, getting this cleaned out, this channel. That way I can get it prepped, ready so I can sand it come next weekend. So as you guys can see, it's coming off right here. What I'll do is I'll heat it up, pull it off. Should be good to go. Look at that, boy, this stuff just coming right off. But yeah, heating it up, it gets off the material a lot easier. As you guys can see, I cut out this area right here. Everybody's probably wondering why I did that. I need to make some trimming pieces to go here. But with these Jags, if you guys don't know, they got sealed trunks. With the sealed trunks, that subwoofer right there, none of the air is coming through into the area where you sit at in the car. So I had to do a what they call it, blow through, or whatever you want to call it, so the air can travel from the subwoofer into the car, so you can actually hear the bass. So the trunk is ridiculously nasty when it's on. When I mean by nasty, that thing beats so hard it's crazy. So I initially had this 15 to end this Jaguar before I put it in my other Jag. So I took the stereo system out and I'm gonna put it back in here. So but yeah, man, let me go ahead and get this stuff cleaned up, show you guys what it's gonna look like once it's done. Guys, so finally just removed the wrap and the rear glass off the Jag. Still got some work to do to it to get it completely ready to wrap. I need to remove the door handles and the side markers and the headlight bezels, and then from there, man, just start sanding it down, getting a smooth surface, a good foundation to apply this wrap on. So let me know what you guys think. Check this out in 3, 2, 1. Check this montage. right, man, let me know what you guys think, man. At the end of the day, I still got some work to do to it to get it ready, but hopefully I should, within the next week, start applying this wrap on the Jag, because I'm ready to get this thing on the road. So other than that, man, appreciate you guys tuning in. If you haven't, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. Turn on all post notifications for any future videos. Y'all know I'm gonna keep bringing you guys some more videos. Let's get it DIY live today with the Saunders Lifestyle, and we are out.